Good morning. I say good morning. It is technically morning. But in the UK right now, it's about 5:30 in the morning. And I never get up that early for a car boot sale. It's just insane. However, Mark's weird French friends are like, we go now. So, God, okay. But it'll be worth it. I've taken out some more money. Even though I spent €520 yesterday, I've taken out some more for today. I'm triple layering to keep out the cold, and scarf and hat and everything, and I'm gonna make it worthwhile. I am here, it's sunrise, isn't that beautiful? It is freezing cold. We've already split up. Like, we have come with Mark's friends, like his thrifter friends, and they're like, bon chance, we go. And it's like, no, you crack on, dears. I'm having a wander round and a mooch because, you know, people are still setting up. Oh, do you want a Roman centurion? Oh, why not? Anyways, hands are getting cold already. Look, people with torches. Wow. The early bird and everything. So it obviously it's still very dark. People might not yet be bringing out their bijou. It's kind of too dark to see it. You need it twinkling in the lights. I might go for coffee soon. We've got some little boxes. So cute. So cute. It's getting a bit lighter now. Haven't bought anything yet. Haven't popped the cherry yet. Weird doll heads and things. I wonder how the others are doing. Into the mirror. Crazy hardware. Oh. It is big. It's much more full than yesterday, and all of this was empty yesterday. Oh. Oh. Look. See? I'll have one of them. And them. They're very cool. Wow. The key rings and things. Cool chair. New perfumes. Ooh, so many antlers. Wow, military stuff. We'll go inside in a bit. Look, trolleys. Haven't seen many people with IKEA bags. That's cool. I like that. Oh, I very much like those chairs. Oh, groovy atomic look. Oh, look at that beautiful lamp. Honestly, everything for the home here. Why would you go anywhere else? because you can't bring it home on the plane. That's why, and so we go to IKEA instead. Oh wow. Oh, I haven't been down this way. We'll probably walk around a few times. People are still setting up. I have spent €100 already on 3 things. But I think I've got some Yves Saint Laurent and something else. Something else. Although I'm very much wanting a coffee soon. Fabergé eggs. Get your Fabergé eggs. That's quite a nice one though. Salt and pepper pot. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Cute. Brooches though. Too many brooches. But is that... Oh, I thought that might have been a cat, but it's not. It's a camel. Oh, cute. Oh, that's a nice one. Very old. Very used. Okay, so I might have spent €180. It's not like me at all, is it? My brother is here now. He won't be buying anything.
No, I'm trying to give it up.
He's trying to give up the spending. I'm trying to do it even more. And yes, time to warm up with a coffee. And now it's a beautiful morning, see? Beautiful. I have just bought this. How cool is that? Isn't it lovely? Right, I don't know where my brother's gone now. He's like, you catch me up. I'm like, okay, whatever you say. I love that television. That is so cool. Watches. Oh. Beautiful sewing box. Evil clown. I'm sure I've seen him before. The Beatles live.
Perché non scende perché è il marchetto. Ho chiesto 150.
That's a beautiful looking Ormolu there. I've only seen one like little glass jewellery box this morning, but it was all rusty and things. I wonder if there's anything here. This is more like it. So we had done the €1 table, and now Melatina's on the €2 table. €2. We're going up in price.
I'm going to tell you that you have to go to this
I have to come to this side. Okay, I come this side. Use your hole. I'm sure I will find more things to buy here. Another €50 spent, but there was like that store just behind, all like with the fannies there, all the people crowd around. That's jewellery, so they've got a table where it's €1, a table where it's €2, and a table where it's €5. And I've spent €70. Hey! So we're all sat around like looking at our purchases. That's an Etch-a-Sketch, like a boxed Etch-a-Sketch. That is so cool.
The French one, the French
Etch-a-Sketch.
Telegram.
And they've got a game, Bada Boom. Love that. Love it. It's so cool. Bada Boom. It's a lovely day now. Beautiful. Beautiful. I've got a tiny coffee. Make me feel like giant. So we come inside for a little bit. Look at all this awesome uranium glass. Shame there's no more of them stamps, eh? We got Donkey Kong, Mario All-Stars, we got Link.
Some balls.
Some balls. Enough balls for you? Enough balls for everyone. So yes, we are having yet another look around, because why not? Ooh. Ringo. I just spent €3 on but I'm pretty sure it's a bit of Bakelite. It's a little bit scratched, but you know, €3 for Bakelite. I cannot say no. It's that dog again. I keep saying that dog everywhere. Cute though. So, microscope, Pokemon. Okay, that's grim. So we finished the thrifting and we've come back home to Red Cross. Just looking to see if we can see Mont Blanc.
The big column of smoke.
So you can sort of, hang on, just about there-ish. You can, if I can I point? It's about there-ish. That is Mont Blanc.
You don't want to be there now because it's
No, it'd be fucking freezing. It is a few hours later. We got in, collapsed, kind of went, oh, I'm just gonna rest my eyes. And then a few hours later, we apparently had naps, which is nice. So now we're very hungry. And we're heading to the German restaurant that we went to last time I was in Lyon, because really fancy schnitzel. So it's quite cool. The menu is like a record. So you pull that out from there. That's the drinks menu. And then that's the food menu. Well, when in Berlin, it's Decemberfest. A little bit late for Oktoberfest, but this'll do. So here's my food. I got schnitzel, potato wedges, curry sauce. So I'm a good Welsh girl. And yes, I am done for today. Dinner was delicious. It's been a really, really good day of spending again. And yeah, just spending time with some nice people as well, which is cool. And yeah, it's been a good day. Tomorrow will be less of the spending, maybe. But we're going to have a little bit of a culture day. There's a cool museum in the centre of town in Hotel de Ville. There's a nice big museum, so we're going to go and visit that. And maybe see a few other things. So yeah, that's it from me. Bye bye now, bye bye.